Well, hey there ladies and gents, and welcome. My name is Vlad, and in this video, which is the introduction video for the Ultimate SEO Guide, an over-the-shoulder type of course created to show you how to properly do SEO, regardless if you are doing this for your affiliate sites, do it for local clients, sell SEO services to other SEOs, or just want to learn how to grow your online business. Because the goal of this course is for you to succeed in your online ventures, regardless if you're a complete beginner or an SEO veteran, I will show you everything from basic setups to so-called secret guru techniques. Also, because I know money is a very important aspect, this course is focused on results rather than many other courses out there that focuses on theory alone. So, starting from the very beginning, in this video I will show you how to go about buying a new domain name, set up hosting and install WordPress for your very first time. Alrighty, so first things first, we'll need a domain name for our new website. So we find ourselves on this nice little website called namecheap.com. So for this example, I will target the rhinoplasty niche. So what I want to do is create a rhinoplasty directory. So I'm going to go ahead and try to find a domain name that is suitable for our project here. I went ahead and entered a domain name, in this case rhinoplastydirectory.com, and let's see if this one is available. Oh wow, looks like this is a $2,000 premium domain name. I know how to pick them, right? Let's see if the .org version is available. Bummer. Seems that this one is not available either. Let's check the .net version. Wow, so the .net version isn't available either. Well, in this case, I guess the tutorial is pretty much over. No, I'm just kidding. So of course what you want to do is go for the popular ones, which is the .com, .org and .net. But since these are not available, I'm gonna go ahead and go for the .us one. And lucky us, looks like that this one is actually available. And it costs only 88 cents per year. Now, if you really want to go for the .com version of the site, you can go ahead and try to add a dash here and there. And look, rhinoplasty-directory.com is available for just $10 a year. So yeah, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and purchase the .us instead. And you want to make sure that all of these extra features are disabled, because you don't really need premium domain name servers or any other premium features your domain registrar might offer you. But what you need in order for you to make your website available for the whole world to see, it's some hosting. So you're gonna go ahead and add hosting to your plan as well. So there you go, you can have a brand new domain name and hosting for just $10 for the whole year. So that's awesome. Now I don't actually need the hosting since I already have multiple hosting accounts with Namecheap. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this and buy only the domain name. I'm gonna go ahead and confirm the order, and then I'm gonna go ahead and log in with my credentials. If you don't have a Namecheap account, you would use this form on the right, then just go ahead and click create account and continue. Right, so after you log in, you will see this page that will prompt you to select the payment method. I will go ahead and pay by PayPal and go ahead and click continue. Then I will click checkout with PayPal. Alrighty then, and yes, in case you're wondering, this is my real PayPal address, so if you want to go ahead and send me some money, feel free to do so. I don't mind. I'm gonna go ahead and log in real quick and click continue here. Okay, now we're waiting while Namecheap elves are processing our order. Bam, just like that, we're done. We own our very first domain name. My parents must be really proud of me at this point. So after you complete the payment, you will receive an email from Namecheap containing your domain name, username, password and URL for your cPanel. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on this URL, enter your username and password and click login. Okay, so now that we have logged into our cPanel, what we want to do is scroll down there until we find the WordPress install app. Now this may look a little different depending on what hosting provider you have, but because every hosting provider out there supports WordPress, you should have a WordPress install script somewhere in your cPanel. Also, as a quick tip, if you cannot find the WordPress install script, you should be able to find help within the hosting provider's knowledge base. So anyways, with Namecheap hosting, you will find WordPress under the Softaculous Apps Installer feature located right at the bottom of your cPanel. Now, if we go ahead and click on WordPress, this will come up on the screen and we're just going to go ahead and click install now. Then if you have multiple domain names, you will be able to choose the right one from this list. I've already selected rhinoplastydirectory.us. Then site name and site description, this does not really matter for now, but just for the sake of it, let's enter rhinoplasty directory. And under site description, I don't know, let's put best rhinoplasty on the entire web. Woohoo! Under the admin account, I'm gonna leave this as is, admin, and just generate a password. Just make sure you copy this to a safe place. And you can select whichever theme, doesn't really matter, we're gonna change that later anyway. So click install. And now we wait for WordPress to be installed on our site. And that's all there is to it. Just like that, we have WordPress installed. Now what we want to do next is click on this administrative URL. And boom, we have access to the backend of our website. And this is how the website looks from the front. The next thing you want to do is go under settings, permalinks, select post name, and then click save changes. Just as a little bonus, I will show you a basic WordPress setup. So real quick, what you want to do is go ahead and click under appearances, themes, select add new. What I like to do is go for this basic theme. That's actually the name of the theme, it's called basic. Just click install, then click activate. Then what you want to do is get rid of all of these widgets right here. So we go under appearances, widgets, and delete all of these widgets here. Then go under appearances, menus, and create a new menu. Let's name it main menu and click create menu. Under display location, select main menu and click save menu. The next thing you want to do is add a couple of pages. So we're gonna go under pages, all pages, and delete the sample page. We don't want this, it's trash, garbage, yuck. And click add new page. Now the first page we're gonna create, it's actually the home page of the site, and instead of naming it home, what I actually want you to do is enter here the name of your website. So in our case, rhinoplasty directory. Okay, and you will want a 300 to 500 word article using rhinoplasty directory keyword. Now I actually have an article for this page ready, but if you're lazy like me, what you want to do is go over to fiverr.com or iWriter.com and just order an article. You give them the keyword and they deliver you the article as soon as possible. So once you have the article ready, just copy paste it here. You can also add some pictures, you know, just make sure this looks pretty. Then what you want to do to add some power to this page, it's linked to authority site. In this case, we will be using Wikipedia. So what we're going to do is go ahead and link to this relevant Wikipedia page. So copy the URL right here and we're going to enter it right here. Open a new tab, update, bam, you're done. The next thing you want to do is add a relevant YouTube video to your page. So we're gonna just go ahead and copy this video. Just go to add media, insert from URL, copy the link here, insert to page. And there you go, all done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click publish. Then what you wanna do is go over to settings, reading. Then select front page displays, a static web page, and select the page you've just created and click save changes. And this is how your website looks like. Now the next thing you want to do is go ahead and create 2 more pages, but this time what you'll be doing is target certain cities in a state. For example, let's say you're going after Florida. So what you're gonna do is create one page named Orlando Rhinoplasty, and then another page called Jacksonville Rhinoplasty, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Now what you want to do is create another 300 to 500 word article exactly the same way you did for the homepage. Since this is for educational purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and copy the exact same page. But what you will be doing is creating a page similar to this one. Just make sure the content is unique, but again you will be linking to a relevant wiki page and add another relevant YouTube video to it. After you are done, just click publish and do the same thing for Orlando, Florida. So you will have Orlando rhinoplasty. After you are done, what you want to do is go ahead and grab the links for Jacksonville rhinoplasty and Orlando rhinoplasty and add them to your homepage. Okay, so after you're done, your homepage will look something like this. You will have a unique 300 word article with a link to an authority site. Also, you will have your inner pages linked to your homepage, as you can see here. And you will have a YouTube video. Now what we've covered in this video, it's pretty much the very basic structure of a website. I will show you a lot of other advanced techniques in my future videos, so make sure to check them out. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.